Welcome back, people. We have got for you today a lovely old Fiesta, one of the better ones. So take this little thing off, already started it, disconnect your battery, doing a starter motor on it, so you don't want to get yourself a lovely little shock. All 10 mils, nice and easy, like that, and like that. Piece of cake. There we have it, there's that one off, that one off. Rip your battery out. All you got to do then, battery box, 1, 2, 3 there, pull that up. We'll be back with you in a sec. 13 mils in your life. Just like that. See you soon. Oh, that's out. Bit more room to work with. See what else we've got to get out of our way. This is a bit annoying, you had to push that, pull that up to get that out of your way. I'm going to have to make a bit more room here, people. Because I don't know if we get to the bolts. Let's see. Oh, there's one there. And there's one there. Might be able to get them. We'll see. Might be able to get them without taking much more else off. We'll see. And there you have it, people. Both 10 mils are out now. Now you just go get the ones underneath, and then it should be out. Simple as that. Peace. And just up there, people. That's the back of your starter. You got a 13 mil you got to crack off, a little 10 mil, and there's a 10 mil just right there. You see, you need to get under the car, get yourself on an axle stand, because you don't want this bad boy dropping on you. Get them two off, pull the connectors off, clean them as well. Get a bit of wire wheel or something, scuff them up, make them nice and clean. See you in a sec. So now the connectors are out of your way, but look how crusty that main one is. Definitely want to clean that up while you're under here. Don't take long, just get a little Dremel, or even if you've got a bit of sandpaper, sand it down just so it's got a nicer connection. And that's the starter, last bolt off the starter, and we are clear. There you go. Last bolt off the starter, little 10 mil again. Oh, should be able to wiggle that. And if you can, just like that. See? Nice and simple. Drag it down. There we have it, people. Nice gaping hole up there for you. We're going to clean all that up as well, because it's probably best to. So before you go dashing them on, just make sure they are the same, which they are, as you can see. Simple as that. Throw it in now. Nice little clean, just a nice little clean, that's all you need, just like that. Better connection, so when it's all going back on, happy days. See you in a sec. And there you have it, people. New one installed. I can see it's missing a gearbox bolt there, but we won't talk about that. Someone's obviously left one out before. Just got to put the little nuts on the back of that, and we're out of here. There we have it, all installed. Just got to get the battery box and everything back in, and we're out of here, people. Peace. One. A two. And a three. Nice and easy. Shopping. I don't see it for a week, I'll see it for a window. There we go, the last step, people. Back into the car. Easy peasy. Just like that, people. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Then all you do, throw that back over, put that down there, just like that. Fine, my lads, my nuts. There's one. One more. Put that back on the back of pot there. Oh, it's really needed, but we'll do it anyway, because we're here. There's the other bloody nut one. There we have it, people. Moment of truth now. Look at that. Hold on. Job's a good one. See if it starts now. It's gonna be funny if it don't, though. It's gonna be really funny if it don't. Oh, magic! It's alive! There we go. Alright, so there you go. Easy. How to fit a starter motor on a Ford Fiesta. See you in the next one. If you like that one, don't forget to like, polish, subscribe, all down here. Peace out, people.